So you do the service, you blow, but you blow carefully. This is very costly, this header. So does not need any dust. So you know how you blow. Blow carefully, but don't blow towards the header. So I have blown the machine, as you can see, screen. So when you are blowing this side, make sure the header is this side. When you are blowing this side, make sure the header is this side. So don't blow direct to the header. Make sure that if you can cover here, you blow the other side. You blow this side. Where you cannot, you are not supposed to blow, you wipe with a fine paper, with a fine kitambayas. So when you are blowing, make sure you don't blow direct here to this. This is the home of the header, where the head clean takes place, and don't blow this side where there is these sensors which lead the words of the paper when you are doing photocopying. There is sensor here. Don't blow direct to the sensors. Don't blow direct to the resting place of the header. Don't blow the header. So you just do a little bit of oiling. This is called Sherhani's oil. Very fine. Don't put oil the car oil. Put this soft oil. Do a little. Don't do much. You see there is some dust particles. Wipe them. Make it move smoothly. Even here up. Put some oil, little bit. So we start picking paper side. So here is where the paper, you put the paper. So you first assemble here, so that the machine will come back to its right.